Hey there, future retiree. Thinking about tapping into your Stashaway retirement funds? Maybe you're facing an unexpected expense, or maybe you're simply ready to enjoy some of your hard-earned savings a little early. Well, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation, and today, I'm going to break down how to withdraw from your Stashaway retirement account in a clear and concise way. How, before we dive in, it's important to understand that withdrawing from your retirement account before reaching retirement age usually comes with consequences. These can include tax penalties, early withdrawal fees, and a potential impact on your long-term financial goals. So, it's crucial to carefully weigh your options and consider all the potential implications before making a decision. Step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's a general overview of how to typically withdraw from your Stashaway retirement account. Log into your Stashaway account. Access your account through the Stashaway app or website. Navigate to your retirement account. Locate the specific retirement account you wish to withdraw from, e.g., IRA, 401k. Initiate a withdrawal request. Look for the Withdraw or Distributions option within your account settings. Specify the withdrawal amount. Enter the desired amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your withdrawal method. Select how you'd like to receive your funds, e.g., direct deposit, check. Review and submit. Carefully review all the information you've entered and submit your withdrawal request. Remember, the exact process might vary slightly depending on the specific type of retirement account you have and the rules associated with it. Tax implications. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax consequences of your withdrawal. Early withdrawal penalties. Be aware of any potential penalties for early withdrawals and factor them into your decision-making process. Account rules. Familiarize yourself with the specific rules and regulations of your Stashaway retirement account to ensure you're withdrawing in compliance with the terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.